Go them up. Ready? Chale. So we'll follow some book examples from your book. I'll also take up some questions from CBSE grade 8 level, okay? Because this was dealt in grade 8 and grade 9 in CBSE. So don't worry about the grade. Grade se kuch le, many things are there in CBSE grade 11, 12, which you will read in grade 10. So grade se kuch nahi lena dena. So let's do some initial problems. In order to do exponent problems, you should be very good with laws, and I had written all the laws the other day. So a couple of the common laws is anything to the power 0 is 1, a to the power minus 1 is 1 by a, okay, or you can write to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. Then if your bases are same, a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y, then you just add the exponents x plus y. If your bases are same and you are dividing, then you just subtract the exponents. This, then if you have a to the power x and outside you've got y, it's same as a to the power xy. If you have got a by say b to the power x, that's same as a to the power x divided by b to the power x. Here comes number 7. In number 7 we take up, say, the nth root of a is same as a to the power 1 by n. This is where the fractional exponent comes into play. I think this is sufficient for us to go ahead with any problem. Okay, let's take up some problems. We'll first take up some easy problems, and you're not supposed to use a calculator out here because you're supposed to use the laws of exponent. जैसे एक ऐसा problem लेते हैं. Let's take a problem where we are supposed to multiply 100 with 10 to the power minus 1. 100 with 10 to the power minus 1. We're not allowed to use a calculator. ठीक है ना? तो इसमें हमको क्या करना है? We're supposed to make the bases same. If you make the bases same, you can apply law. तो इसे हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write it as 10 square into 10 to the power minus 1. ठीक है? अभी आप कोई भी लॉ लगा सकते हैं. First, we can straightaway put this law 10 to the power 2 plus of minus 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10. Or else from here you can put another law also. 10 to the power 2 into 1 by 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 2, okay, divided by 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. What law did I use out here? I used the law a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. And what law did I use here? I used a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This is what I used out here. Here you have to do a lot of practice. तभी आपको ये laws. The good thing in CBSE in this part is they introduce this from 7. 8 they do it extensively. 9 they do the tougher part, and then this done. In your case, this is introduced in 9. Previously also it has been introduced, but the tough level is a little bit less. That's why we will do some problems from CBSE also out here. Okay? Have you understood how to do this? So if you see in your book, first you will have आपके book में कैसे problems है. Let me see from your books first. Okay, so example. Okay, बच्चा, what you do? Take over exercise 16a. 1.6a. 1.6a. You can just do gallop करके कर लो. Do some problems. You can do problem number. Right now you do problem number 6. Express in index form. 6, 7, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. लिख लो आप, and then write as a single power of 3. Okay, so that also कर लो. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Do it right now. So first do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 16, and then come to, then I'll tell you what to do in 1.6b. इतना बच्चा थोड़ा फटाफट कर लो तो देखो आपका हाथ स्ट्रेट होता है कि नहीं. The first one is only express as an exponent. अश्मिता हो पाएगा ना? Just express as an exponent. They're not asking you anything great. पहला वाला प्रॉब्लम क्या है ध्रुव? पहला वाला एकदम क्वेश्चन नंबर वन. Okay, question number one is 6 times 6. So are supposed to use exponents. ये क्या हो गया 6 square. बस अपना काम खत्म. Our job is over. Read the question. It's expressed as an exponent. Achha. As soon as the school opens, children, your first job will be to get in touch with your teachers and get the demarcation. Demarcation means pencil se tick marwa lo, ma'am, what are we going to cover in grade 9 and what are we going to cover in grade 10? हमारे लिए grade 9 is more important because the same book will be used for both the classes. ठीक है ना बेटा? So what are we going to cover in grade 9? That you first get to know from ma'am, and there will be little bit spillover between you Glendalites and you Chirakians. थोड़ा होने से भी आगे पीछे होगा. But we'll see that. इनको कर लो फटाफट, फिर हम और टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स करते हैं. ठीक है? The laws are written right on the board. Keep writing the laws. The more you write them, the more you remember them. हो गया? ऑल डन? Now, if you anyone facing discomfort with these questions, these are not comfortable, discomfortable. Okay. After that, you have got some questions which I will ask you to try here only little bit after some time. थोड़े से प्रॉब्लम अलग टाइप के करते हैं, ठीक है? एक लेवल अप, because the problems that are there are very kiddo level. ये आते भी नहीं है. Let us take some problems where we will use our laws and we'll try to simplify. चलो ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. These are problems taken up from CBSE. Now, let's try to do these problems, okay? The question is all about simplify. Simplify means try to get to the most simple form as possible using your laws. The first question would be, say 3 square minus 2 square into 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Let's try and do this problem. Simplify means you're supposed to get to the most simplest form of answers. Let's do one more. ये दोनों करने की कोशिश कीजिए तो and if your Skype is open, children, I'm just posting one paper on Skype right now itself. Once you are done with these two, kids, just have a check on your Skype. एक बार देखो तो बेटा, I have sent one exponents question paper. Just see, आया कि नहीं? Just check on Skype. Did you get one?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अस्मिता, try to open Skype on PC only. एक मोबाइल आपको छोटा छोटा दिखेगा. Okay. Once if you have done with these two problems, I'll tell you which problems to attempt from there. That question paper has some. इसमें से कुछ करेंगे. Okay. Here I would like to show one more thing. ये चीज देखो, have a look at the board out here. Look at this thing, okay? 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Now here you can do some, just see. Let's take only 2 by 3 to the power minus 3, right? Let's see what happens in this case. If you have a fraction with a negative exponent, you can just swap the fraction, invert it and make it positive fraction, positive power. Yeah, होता कैसे है? आइए check करते हैं. How does this happen? Can I write this thing as 1 by 2 by 3 to the power 3 using my formula a to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m? I can write this, right? Can I write this as 1 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 3? ये भी लिख सकते हैं, no issues. This thing is same as this thing. Can I write this as 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3? यही तो लिख सकते हैं. This one a by b whole power is a power. See, this is parental property. It will go to boy as well as girl both. ठीक है ना? I can write this. इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 into 3 cube by 2 cube. ये लिख सकते हैं. Right? Can I now make it as 3 by 2 whole thing to the power 3? तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? अगर आपको ये आप याद रखो, if you have a a by b to the power minus m, you can straight away write it as b by a to the power m. यानी कि ये लॉ यूज करने से अपना ऊपर वाला प्रॉब्लम कैसा इजी हो जाता है. जस्ट सी, this problem now becomes 3 2 square 3 by 2 to the power 3. ठीक है. Now here you don't have any law. Minus में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We have to open it up. So let's open it up. 3 square gives me 9. 2 square gives me 4. And I have got 3 to the power and 2 to the cube. So 9 minus 4 is how much? Also you can do it as a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So this is 5 into 3 cube divided by 2 cube. So that was 5 into 3, 3, 9, 3, 27, 2, 2, 4, 2, 8. ये आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. 7, 5, 35, 3, 5, 2, 10 plus 3, 13, 135 upon 8 is your answer. ठीक है. ये वाला कीजिए. Because the level of problems that there in Cambridge is absolutely kiddo. ये आया. How much did you get? Simplified to the maximum possible level that you can. 5 to the power 5 times a by 10. और आगे जाएगा. 10 को ब्रेक करो. 10 is also a 5 into 2. समझ में आया ना? 10 ब्रेक होगा तो ये हो जाएगा 5 to the power 4, मतलब 625 a7 by 3 आना चाहिए. a7 by 2 आएगा or something like that. करो 625 a to the power 7 divided by 2 होना चाहिए. I think so. Let's check how to do this. We can now bring everything as 25 is 5 square, a to the power 4, and I can break this as 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 into 2 into a to the power minus 3. ठीक है बच्चा? फिर कितना हो गया? This is 5 2 minus 3 minus 1. Have you understood? Into a to the power 4 minus 3 and by 2. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेटा पूछना, लेकिन ना how this step is coming. I hope you have understood. 5.
Sir, I did the last step.
Which this step?
Yeah, that step.
आप और सिंपल करो फिर. सिंपल करते हैं then. और what do you have on top? On top you have a 5 square into a to the power 4. This is agreed by you.
Yes.
नीचे क्या है? You have a 5 to the power minus 3. Then this is another 5 means 5 to the power 1. So I add them into 2 into a to the power minus 3. ठीक है? अब ब्रेक करते ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. There is no issues. 5 square. Now I write a to the power 4 minus 3 because a to the power 4 is being divided by a to the power minus 3.
Okay.
A to the power 4 is being divided by a to the power minus 3. A to the power 4 minus 3. And here we have 5 to the power negative 2. ठीक है? Into 2. तो कितना हो गया? 5 to the power 2. Now minus another minus 2 into a to the power 4 plus 3 divided by 2. Just see. 5 to the power 2 minus 2. a to the power 4 plus 3 by 2. ठीक है?
Okay.
ये प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. This will give you 5 to the power 4 multiplied by a to the power 7 divided by 2. 5 to the power 4 means 5 5 25, 5 5 25, 25 25 625. So it will be 625 a to the power 7 divided by 2.
Okay, got it, sir. Okay.
ठीक है. One more type of problem we'll see, which are exponential equation type. Exponential equation type. So let's pick up a particular problem. Let's say somebody tells you 1 upon 4, ये एग्जाम्पल देखो, and then we'll do some worksheet. इसमें आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए बेटा, प्लीज. हाँ, पेंडिंग मत रखो, पेंडिंग रखने से फंस जाएंगे यार. कोर्स इज वेरी वेरी वास्ट. 1 to the power minus 4 into 1 to the power minus 8 is equal to 1 by 4 to the power negative 4x. ठीक है, ये टाइप एक और प्रॉब्लम आएगा आपको. They'll ask you find the value of x. They'll ask you find the value of x, right? So how to solve this problem? Now look at, to solve this problem, the only criteria is you have to make the bases same on both sides. Now fortunately यहाँ भी all the bases are same. So I can write it as 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 plus minus 8. लिख सकते हैं ना? 1 by 4 to the power negative 4x. Okay? Don't put is equal to sign out here. Is equal to sign is already here. You put or out here. Or means the sign that you use here is like this and like this. और बिठाते हैं बच्चा. ठीक है? आ जाओ. अब इसको आगे सॉल्व करते हैं. We get a 1 by 4 and what do you get? Minus 4 minus 8. कितना होता है बेटा? Minus 12 is equal to 1 by 4 to the power minus 4x. Now see. Now the beauty. Look here. I have got this thing can be resembling something like this. A to the power minus 12 is equal to A to the power minus 4x. ये कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है. Yes or no? It resembles. So here we say, since the bases are same, this quantity is equal to this quantity. There is a Jaideep Das who is equal to dash Das. So the dash has to be Jaideep, na? Jaideep Das is equal to dash Das. और dash क्या होगा? Jaideep ही होना पड़ेगा. Since the bases are equal, देखो ये दोनों bases equal है. The quantities are also equal to each other. 1 minute, huh? Just 1 minute. Just a minute, huh, children? Just 1 minute hold करो, कोडটা বলছি. 1 minute. 723953.
723953.
Working? Okay. Yeah. Sorry. So, what do you get here? 1 minute. So, if you see, since the bases are same, the exponents have to be same. Did you understand the reason? ये नंबर और ये नंबर बराबर है, इसमें बेस भी बराबर है, तो एक्सपोनेंट सेम होना ही पड़ेगा. So generally in CBSE when we do this problem, we actually write here. We write like this: since bases are same, so we can equate the exponents. Equate the exponents. Even you write it for the first time so that you understand why you did this step. You can equate the exponents. So now equate the exponents. Negative 12 equal to negative 4x. Negative negative gets cancelled. Or x becomes equals to 12 upon 4, which is equal to 3. समझ में आया? x becomes 12. अब करके देखो, यहाँ पे कितना आया? 1 मिनट. यहाँ पे कितना आया? negative 12 आया. यहाँ पे अगर हम 3 बिठाएंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? negative 12 आ जाएगा. तो LHS is equal to RHS. Our problem is correct. Yes, B2, बोलिए.
Sir, I don't know exactly how it covered, but I can make 4 all of them.
कौन सा बिटू?
Sir, I wrote like 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 8.
4 to the,
and then 3 to the power of 4x.
हाँ वो एक ही बात है.
Okay, sir.
That's same. It's same. End of the day, Ashmita देखो, बेसिस के साथ कोई काम ही नहीं करना है हमें.
Yes.
आप 4 करो या मैं 1 by 4 करूं, हमने उनको यूज किया क्या? नहीं ना. हम सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट्स को ही बाद में यूज करते हैं, है ना। अगर आप ये प्रॉब्लम समझे हैं तो मैं आपको एक और प्रॉब्लम सिमिलर टाइप का देता हूं, आप इसको करने की कोशिश करो तो थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा। हाँ, यू हैव टू स्लाइटली यूज योर ग्रे मैटर। चलो इसको करने की कोशिश करते हैं। ये बड़ा आसान प्रॉब्लम है, मजा नहीं आता ये सब। है चलो फिर भी ले लो, तुम्हारी किस्मत अच्छा है। 3/2 to the power -3 into, now I'll tell you another shortcut to do this problem. 3/2 to the power 5 is equal to 3/2 to the power 2x plus 1. अब देखो, now more shortcuts. ध्रुव देख, इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे? Do you see the bases as same in all? Yes. पहले स्टेप में ही लिख देते हैं equating the exponents. So you can equating the exponents, ठीक है। हम क्या कर लिख देते हैं, equating the exponents as bases are same. So what do we do? -3 plus 5 होगा, लेकिन हाँ, because you are equating the exponents, this will be plus 5. If you think that you are confident enough to understand this step, please follow what I am doing. इफ यू थिंक आपको इसमें कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो आप सिंगल एक्सपोनेंट में सिंगल बेस में ले आओ। सी वी हैव गॉट 2 बेसेस, यू कंबाइन एंड ब्रिंग इट टू 1 बेस। बट इफ यू थिंक आपका हाथ साफ हो गया है एंड यू कैन स्ट्रेट अवे ऐड दीस 2, देन यू कैन डू दैट आल्सो, बट डोंट goof it up end of the day. See here what I did, there were एक 1/4, one more 1/4, मैंने इसको सिंगल 1/4 में कन्वर्ट किया, तो यहां भी सिंगल 3/2 में कन्वर्ट कर लो। अगर आपको लगता है नहीं मेरे को तो आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, देन यू जस्ट इक्वेट देम, यू कैन इक्वेट दिस। बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग 3/2 to the power -3 plus 5 is equal to 3/2 to the power 2x plus 1. And once I do this step, then I write this step, then I can write it as 3/2 to the power 2 is equal to 3/2 to the power 2x plus 1, ठीक है ना। अब आप कर दो 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. So in to the kiddos of grade 8 I used to say like this, Maganlal equal to Maganlal, so Chhaganlal equal to Chhaganlal. अगर आपको यहां भी मगनलाल तो एक बच्चा मुझे बोला सर वी हैव ऑल मगनलाल्स, so straight away equate the Chhaganlals. That is also possible. But when you equate these Chhaganlals, multiply मत करना बच्चा, ये exponent है, exponents get added, don't multiply them. That goof up you may do. And if you think you are not confident, handle it this way. And now our problem becomes very easy. So 2 times of x is equal to 2 minus 1, or x is equal to 1/2. Our job is done. आप अभी करके भी देख सकते हैं, इसको 1/2 कर दो, 1/2 करने से this is 1 plus 1 2, बस हो गया, प्रॉब्लम इज करेक्ट। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सो नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू वन वर्कशीट ऑन स्काइप। उस वर्कशीट में बच्चा आई वांट यू राइट नाउ टू जस्ट डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 कर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 करो, 11 12 13 करो, तो जरा 11 12 13 16 सभी कर लो यार, क्या जाता है। Don't do 17 standard form. I have not yet taught you. I'll teach you a little bit later. Now itself I'll teach you, but little bit later. Try to do that. हाँ, ये पेपर अगर कर लोगे ना, is more than enough. It is daddy of your Cambridge. हाँ, बोलो सर।
From which question should we start? Should we start from the beginning?
If I would say if you start from the beginning, I would be the happiest person, because in that case you are starting from sugar, salt, that way. So I would be very happy, and I would be very happy if you do the whole worksheet. उससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं. But in the class right now, I would say just attempt the ones that are. ध्रुव कौन सा करने बोला था अभी, जरा देखो.
11, 12, 13, 16, 17.
हाँ, राइट नाउ आई सेड 11, 12, 13, 14, यहां से अभी करो बेटा।
Okay, got it.
ओके, बट पूरे वर्कशीट को करो व्हेन यू डू इट एट योर होम। After, I'm giving you some 10 minutes to do some problem. After 10 minutes, I'll teach you standard form. Standard form is very easy. It's just writing, instead of writing Ashmita, you will write A dot Poddar. That's all. That's standard form. We'll just make it in small. ठीक है, ये दो आपके बोर्ड में है, आप करना शुरू कीजिए. और ध्रुव ये स्काइप फोरम में भी है, मतलब हमारे क्लास फोरम में भी है. And if you feel, no sir, I want to do the worksheet from start, I don't mind. I will be very happy in that case. तू नाखून काट घर पे जाके आज, पेट में सब कीटाणु घुस रहे हैं तुम्हारे. वी वांट सैनिटाइजर, इधर नाखून भूत जैसे. रात को कुछ रूप वूप चेंज हो जाता है क्या तुम्हारा? हाँ, 12 बजने के बाद उंगली उंगली बड़े हो जाते हैं क्या? हाँ, बड़ा बड़ा नाखून, और ऊपर से क्रिकेट खेलता है, ये सब खेलता है, सब कीड़ा घुसता है. Anything anyone gets stuck up, he or she will not hesitate. Suppressing is the worst form of learning. Sir, why we suppress? Because you get irritated. Yes, I am aging. मैं irritate ही होऊंगा और आगे जाके. Don't talk like my daughter. बोलने से ही गुस्सा हो जाते हो. गुस्सा होता भी हूं तो 2 मिनट में चला जाता है. अच्छा, one honest question. अच्छा, question is always honest. Answer should be, response should be honest. भाई साहब, whatever we are learning, I hope you are also studying at home. Huh? Don't give goli. Goli will cost very costly. Do whatever you want during the day. 1 hour. Because once, specifically for Glendale, I'm saying, once your school starts, they will just ramble and rattle and go very fast. Because after Ganesh Puja, Glendale में ये सब शुरू हो जाएगा. क्या? Mother's Day, Dad's Day, this day, Razzmatazz, and all these will go on. And then after November, again they will press the accelerator pedal. So let's not have that. We are having time. आराम से खत्म करके जाते हैं.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I couldn't get the 14th question.
14th question. Can you tell me what is the 14th question? Let me have a look. एक बार.
By what number should
Okay.
minus
हाँ.
by-
Okay. Let me write the question. Then we will understand. Okay. Let me write the question. ऐसा question बड़ा interesting है. आ जा. Okay. Let us write your question. Tell me the question. By what number? By what number should
My minus 3 by 2 4 minus 1.
minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 1. Okay.
Yeah. Be divided so that the
Be divided so that the quotient quotient
may be equal to 1 by 6.
is equal to 1 by 6. ठीक है ना? May be equal to is 1 by 6. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन मतलब आपका क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसा कर लेते हैं. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया ना, सो दिस इज आहिरी. ओके, देखो ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने से ही मन में एक एज्यूम करो. एज्यूम आई एम गिविंग यू क्वेश्चन. बाय व्हाट नंबर should 8 be divided so that the answer is 2? I'm asking you a question. By what number should 8 be divided so the answer is 2? 8 को क्या से डिवाइड करने से 2 मिलेगा?
4.
आंसर नहीं चाहिए. कैसे निकाला 4? How did you get that 4? What did you do in your mind? 4 is correct, but what did you do in your mind?
I tried to calculate it in my
What did you calculate? Why did you get 4? क्या कैलकुलेट किया?
because I divided
हाँ
8 by 4.
हाँ 8 by 2. 4 तो है ही नहीं क्वेश्चन में. You divided 8 by 2.
Oh,
हाँ, तो आपके मन में आपने क्या किया? 8 divided by 2 किया ना.
yeah.
अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आपको -3 by 2 to the power -1 को डिवाइड करना है 1 by 6 से, because your 8 is this and your 2 is this.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So in kiddo language they are asking you something like this. They are asking you something like this: -3 by 2 to the, see, you cannot I cannot help you if you don't understand the English part. That you have to help. -3/2/1 को क्या नंबर से डिवाइड करने से आंसर 1/6 आता है? दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड यू।
Yeah.
तो इसको इजी क्वेश्चन में तोड़ो ना। 8 को क्या से डिवाइड करने से आंसर 2 आता है?
Uh,
8 divided by 2, 4.
so,
So you write here, you can straight away write required number is equal to -3/2 to the power -1 divided by 1/6. Now perform this operation. You get your answer.
okay, okay, thank you, sir.
ठीक है, ऐसा सोचने का। Sometimes you may get a question by what number blah blah should be added. आप क्वेश्चन को लिख के एक 8 और एक 2 डाल दो हमेशा। Then think how you got the answer. You just do that.
Got it.
Yes. Another easy way is when your teacher like Jaideep Das irritates you, how do you feel to treat him? Just like I would hit a punch ball. Replace the punch ball by his photo. So I'm hitting him. That same analogy is here. See, Nidhi understood so quickly. She has 3 months of additional experience of torture, na? So she understands these very easily. अभी करो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, गुड। नेवर सप्रेस एनीथिंग। कोई भी चीज नहीं आता है पूछा करो। देयर आर ऑलवेज टेक्निक्स टू डू। अनदर 5 मिनट्स एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म भी सीख लेंगे। देन दिस वीक वी विल लोड यू विथ टू फिनिश दिस पार्ट एंड नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल देन टेक अप सर्ड्स। ध्रुव, गाड़ी चल रहा है ठीक से? टुडे आवर कीर्तन डार्लिंग इज नॉट देयर। हाँ, वो चला गया। And Sahasra madam is at NCC. The newspaper wrote that there will be 5 days of thunder showers in Hyderabad and lightning. क्या पता नहीं क्या थंडर शावर बोला, ज्यादा ही गर्मी हो गया है और है ना। All because of Nidhi, this girl. She is to be blamed. Anything wrong that happens is because of her. अच्छा, what we will do, give me a 5 minutes of your time. We'll just little bit understand what is standard form. You will be only asked to express numbers, which is very easy for us to do. Okay, आओ थोड़ा ये सीख लेते हैं. Standard form. Standard form. What is the use of standard form and why do we need standard form? Imagine yourself, okay, आ जाओ 2 minutes. Imagine yourself reporting some data where you are asked to report the diameter of the eye of an ant. Diameter of the eye of an ant. सोचो कितना छोटा है, उसको मीटर्स में रिपोर्ट करना है. Parallelly, you are also supposed to report the distance of moon from Earth, 3,84,000 kilometers. So you'll be dealing with numbers which are very big numbers. ये सब लिखना इतना easy नहीं है. It becomes cumbersome. So what do we need? Do I tell you that today I'll come to your house and have rice? So you may ask me, how much rice do you have, sir, usually? What do I say? I say 1 plate or half plate or half a spoon, 2 spoon. क्या मैं आपको बोलता हूँ I usually have 64,822 into 10 to the power 28 grains of rice I'll have today. क्या बहुत भद्दा सा लगता है, ठीक है ना? तो नंबर्स को एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है, जो फॉर्म आपको भी एक्सेप्टेबल हो, मुझे भी है, और थोड़ा इजी होना चाहिए. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बुक में जैसे भी बोले, देसी सिस्टम समझ लो. एवरी नंबर इज रिटन समथिंग इनटू 10 to the power समथिंग, समथिंग इनटू 10 to the power समथिंग. ये जो समथिंग हम लिखते हैं ना, दिस नंबर कैन बी डेसिमल ऑल्सो, नो इश्यूज. दिस नंबर शुड बी, इफ इट इज डेसिमल देयर इज नो इश्यू. इट कैन बी A point, B, C, D, E, F, G, कितना भी हो सकता है, नॉट एन इश्यू. That's not an issue. This number A जो है ना, this A should be minimum 1. That is, it should be greater than 0 and less than equal to 9. बस ये याद रखिए. Greater than 0 means I can write it as it should be greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 9. ठीक है, ये नंबर को. And this one, this is called the power. This we will adjust. This we will adjust based on how the number is to be treated. Now that adjustment we are going to see. ये जरा याद रखिए, ठीक है? Let's say I am given a number 534. इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म straight away says 534 means you view the number like this, 534.0. ठीक है ना? ऐसा व्यू कर सकते हैं. आपको ये नंबर 534 लिखने का परमिशन नहीं है. You can have the first number only between 1 and 9. So I make it 5.34 and I ask myself, is this 5.34 same as like this? Yes. 5 is between 1 and 9. ठीक है ना? Now into 10 to the power. Now just imagine, number was 534, you made it 5.34. Who gave you this authority? You're saying, sir, I'm doing standard form. But you don't have the authority to reduce the number. If it was my money in my pocket, तुम तो मेरे को भिखारी बना दिया. 534 रुपए से you made me 5.34. So now we need to adjust this exponent. So look at this decimal. Now how many place did the decimal move? 1 place, 2 place. Decimal came here. Decimal moved 2 place. This number can be now imagined as 5.34 into 10 into 100. 10 to the power 2 is nothing but 100. इसको 100 से multiply कीजिए. How will we multiply? 53400. How to put the decimal? Decimal is always after 2 figures. So after 2 figure. Is this number same as this number? Yes. समझ में आया? Let's say now we take up some more examples और देखते हैं ऐसे करके. Let's say somebody tells us the distance of the moon from Earth is 3,84,000. 3,80,000. Lakhs you all don't know, so no, don't worry. So this is 3,84,000 kilometers. This is the distance of moon from Earth. I want this answer in meters because we are doing SI unit in physics. So it should be in meters. So meters में करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? Meters में करेंगे तो 384,000 into another 1,000. So it becomes 384,000 0 0 0 and then we ourselves have a doubt सही लिखा तो then we start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 हाँ ठीक है. But if I do it step by step, I may get up in problem. Now I will make it what? Standard form. So standard form will become 3.84 into 10 to the power something meters. So where is my decimal? My decimal is here right now. How many place? देखो बड़ा नंबर को छोटा करेंगे तो multiplier has to be bigger. बड़ा को छोटा किया, then the multiplier has to be bigger ना. Obviously, ultimately this number has to be equal to this. Right now they are not equal. तुमने इतने so many rupees you made it to only 3 rupees. Who gave you the right? Wait sir, इसको देखो अभी कहाँ आंसर डिक्लेयर किया. So how many places it has moved? 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है? But life becomes very interesting when we do for this. We found a bacteria and we found that the diameter of the bacteria is 0.00000000326 meters. Write it in standard form. तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? इसको पहले लिख लेंगे 3.26. इतना छोटा बैक्टीरिया को 3 मीटर बैक्टीरिया बना दिया. Wait sir, we will also have our balancing figure. Now look at the balancing figure. Where did you take your, see you have made a small number to bigger, so this has to be smaller. So where did you take your decimal? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 9. What does minus 9 mean? This is same as 3.26 being divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X to the power minus m is 1 by x to the power m. ठीक है, ये बड़ा इजी रहता है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. So when you report the size of a bacteria or you are reporting the distance to the moon, our figures look very handsome. Now if they tell you multiply this with this, you are like grandmother remembering moment. But if they tell you multiply this with this, so roughly I will do how much? 3.84. We know rounding. इसको कुछ 4 ले लेगा, इसको 3 ले लेगा. Answer should be something like 12. Don't you agree? 3 into 4 is 12. 10 to the power 8 plus minus 9. 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1. Is the answer in standard form? No sir. The answer is not in standard form. The answer will be 1.2 into 10 to the power 1. That is how I arrange this number as this, into the original 10 to the power minus 1. That is this. Now it becomes 1.2. If you still have a doubt, इसी को करके देख लो. 12 into 10 to the power minus 1, which is equal to 12 into 1 by 10 to the power 1. What is 12 by 10? 12 by 10 is 1.2. Same answer. This is standard form. Standard form helps us to deal with bigger numbers. So the numbers look handsome now. Everything is a dot b into 10 to the power, where a should be between 1 to 9. ठीक है, जैसे मान लो एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं, that to make a say a trouser, to make a trouser, a person needs say around say 2 meters of cloth. ठीक है, or 2.25. 2.25 means what? 225 centimeters of cloth you need to make one trouser. इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? 2.25 into 10 to the power 2, because you are bringing the point from this side. 2.25 is a smaller number, so the multiplier has to be bigger. Basically आप 2.25 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, खत्म बात हो गया. यही है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. So as we break today, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज डू दैट वर्कशीट. You face any problem, put it on Skype. ध्रुव, ये वर्कशीट मैं रखता हूं because I'll need it. उसमें Skype के क्लासरूम फोल्डर में है, बट इसको आप खत्म कीजिए. And similarly, you should also try and finish these equation type problems which are there in your textbook. अच्छा, just for your knowledge, एक प्रॉब्लम करके दिखा देता हूं. से अ प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन 1/2 to the power n is equal to 8. Right now you cannot use that Maganlal. Maganlal is not equal to Maganlal right now. Right? We have to make it Maganlal. देखो कैसे करते हैं. इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1/2 is equal to 2 cube. ये लिख सकते हैं. But still Maganlal is not Maganlal. We have to make it Maganlal equal to Maganlal. So can I make it like this? 1/2 n. Now 2 to the power minus 3. Isn't it not same as 1/2 to the power minus 3? I had told you 1/2 to the power minus 3 is just inverted as 2 to the power 3. Now Maganlal is equal to Maganlal. Therefore Chhaganlal should be Chhaganlal. N is equal to minus 3. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आपके भर भर के हैं इन योर मे बी योर ऑक्सफोर्ड और हॉडर वट एवर यू आर यूजिंग. ऐसे भी प्रॉब्लम कीजिए. And these are the problems you're going to get in your exam, even if at all they give you a problem, because these are very kiddo chapters. ठीक है? So kindly complete that worksheet that I gave and your book problems till we move on to surds in our next chapter. Okay? चलिए, enjoy the winters and Nidhi, you enjoy the summers.